welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together banana, oats, cinnamon teething cookies. Teething cookies, they are so useful when your little one is going through the kind of annoying teething phase and he's bothered, right? The gums, they're getting red and the first teeth that they are popping out. Teething cookies, they are not a solution for teething, but for sure they will keep your little one busy and hopefully they will be a relief to the annoying teething feeling. I've been receiving many requests for a new teething cookie recipe. I already have 2 on my blog and YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share a new one. This recipe is naturally gluten-free, dairy-free and vegan, requires the oven to make it, and also has all the good qualities of a good teething cookie. First, the cookie is hard enough to be chewed for a long time before breaking. Second, when it breaks, it doesn't break in kind of small size pieces that they are kind of a choking hazard, so it breaks in big pieces or in tiny pieces. Third, the texture is on the gooey side, so it's perfect for chewing and teething. Fourth and last is a cookie with a bit of taste, because without taste it's not fun to chew. Also, these cookies, they contain cinnamon, and cinnamon is a spice that can be used for baby food and has tons of healthy benefits for your little one. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and most of all, smells so good. But let's start together our homemade teething cookie recipe. First thing to do, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a food processor, we are going to add the banana, the coconut oil, and the water. Blend in order to obtain a creamy mix. Add the flour and the cinnamon, and blend again in order to obtain a super soft dough. At this point, roll the dough into a 1/4 inch thick sheet and cut any shape that can be easily handled by your baby. Sticks and circles are the easiest for you to prepare and for your little one to chew. Place the cookies on a parchment paper foil on a baking sheet and bake them for 15-20 minutes up until pale golden. Let them cool down completely, and you can store them in an airtight container on the countertop if it's not too hot outside. I would say for at least 2 weeks. I really hope your little one will enjoy this recipe, and I really hope that the teething phase will go away soon. If you're looking for similar recipes, simply check all the links in the area here below. That's also where you can leave me comments, and most of all, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!